Hello there. Today we're going to be doing a squid or kraken silhouette. We're going to start with a nice teardrop shape. At the top of our teardrop, we're going to paint a triangle. At the bottom of our teardrop, I'm going to just do a couple lines coming out. Do a couple of curves. And below that, kind of a little S shape. Now it's just doing the tentacles. Two of the tentacles usually have these little leaves on the end, so we'll do that on these two. So why all these sea life silhouettes? It's building up towards the painting. I also love the ocean. I could swim before I could walk. And there you have it, a squid silhouette.